Welcome back. Today is the 27th March 2024. In this video, let us analyze NIFTY 50 with the help of supply demand zone chain. Even before that, a small announcement, please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available in a playlist supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. You click the link, you will get into this page. And then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be useful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the NIFTY supply demand zone chain. With the help of that, we will identify support levels and resistance levels for NIFTY 50. See, today what happened? NIFTY is opened with a gap up, which is above the 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Even yesterday's video, we have also discussed about this possibility also. Because of this possibility, the ranges are changed now. See, this range, whatever this range is no more valid. Now the new range is activated. This is the new range. Okay. Once again, we will discuss these ranges at the end of the video. Meanwhile, I am deleting them. And NIFTY has given opportunity today, trade opportunity. This is a trade opportunity. And then it moved up to this 15 minutes demand zone. This is also a 5 minutes demand zone. We have a rally, base rally. Why 15 minutes demand zone I am saying? Generally high liquidity zones are having capacity to push the price up to the 15 minute zones. That is the reason why the immediate 15 minute zone, till that the prices were reached. When price entered, this is the first time prices entered into this zone today. After that, there was a big fight between bulls and bears, and once again prices entered into this zone, and from here it gave an entry. Here there is a more deep entry. Those who have fine-tuned this zone to minimize the risk, they would have got a better trade opportunity here, less risk and more reward they would have got. That is all based on your risk management skills. But finally NIFTY has reached. How many points approximately? Here it is 22,178 and this is 22,113. $22,113 and 22,176. So approximately 50 points move from here to here. Okay, other than that, what could be the new ranges? Are there any new zones created today? Yes, there are new zones created today. Before that, let me delete. The new zones are created from 75 minutes time frame onwards. So let us shift to 75 minutes time frame. Here we have a rally, 3 base candles and a rally. Not this one. This is the one. We have a rally candle, 4 base candles, and then again a rally candle. This is the new 75 minute zone. Look into our supply demand zone chain for the 75 minutes time frame. And today is 27th. Let us check 27th here. Third item. You can also pause the video and you can study these parameters. This is the zone created. 26th 9:15 is the leg in, 27th 9:15 is the leg out between 4 candles. That is what we have a rally. So this is a 75 minutes normal zone only. It is not a high liquidity zone. Maybe there could be a strong order flow. We never know. But this is the immediately, at this point of time, this is the immediately available high liquidity, normal zone. (75 minutes demand zone). Now there will be a fight between this 75 minutes demand zone and this high liquidity supply zone. This is a 25 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Inside we have a 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Suppose the demand is very strong in this 75 minutes high liquidity zone. This high liquidity zone will be violated. 25 minutes high liquidity supply zone inside 5 minutes. This will be violated. And moreover, prices already gave. This is the first test and today this is the second test. But we don't know. Tomorrow again institutions may add more orders in this flow. Again they may push the prices down. In case if this is violated, the next zone will be, these zones will be the 25 minutes high liquidity. Below we have 5 minutes low priority zone. But here we have 25 minutes. This is inside the daily zone. Now a daily supply zone and 75 minutes demand zone, there will be a fight. So what happened in the next time? I'm changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us see what happened in 25 minutes time frame. Meanwhile, we will also change the time frame to 25 minutes. See here also drop, base candles and rally. Drop, 2 base candles, rally. See here we have a demand zone. Even a supply zone is also created today, 25 minutes, normal supply zone. First, this is the fine-tuned demand zone. 26, 14, 15. This is the one, 2 base candles. This is a fine-tuned zone. Inside this. These are all the normal zones. And newly created supply zone at 13:25, 2 base candles. This is 13:25, 2 base candles. That means this newly created 25 minute zone is within this 5 minutes high liquidity zone. So we need not focus much on this now. Anyway, order flow is here. That means a new order flow is again added here today at 25 minutes level. Now let us see what's happening in a 15 minutes time frame. Changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let me generate the chain. Are there any new zones created today on 15 minutes? Yes, here we have one zone. This is a low priority high liquidity zone. Let's focus on this. This is a demand zone. 26.3, 14.30. The same thing. The same 25 minute zone is also a 15 minute zone. So this is a 25 minutes demand zone, comma, 15 min low priority HLQ zone. 15 minutes low priority, high liquidity zone. So this is also high liquidity zone. But among the high liquidities, this is having low priority. But anyway, high liquidity means strong order flow will be there compared to the normal demand zone. So that means definitely this zone will give some kind of pressure to the supply zones. It's not easy to break. This is the only one created in the 15 minutes time frame. Now let's move on to the 5 minutes time frame and let us observe what happened today in the 5 minutes time frame. Are there any high liquidity zones created? Let us check. So today 27.3 we have 1, 2, 3. 3 zones are created from 7 to 10. So these 3 one. So you can pause the video and you can observe them. But here we are interested on high liquidity zone, the 8th one. So what is the date? I mean today's date, what is the time? 14:50. After that one base candle. $14.50. A base candle. Again 14:45. Sorry, 14:50 and 15. Oh, something wrong. Yeah, sorry, we are in 15 minutes time frame. Let me change the time frame to 5 minutes. So this is 14:50. Here we have a base candle and then we have a drop candle. This is a high liquidity supply zone. Five minutes. But the question is it going to hold the prices? Or is it going to violate it with a gap up tomorrow? Or from here prices will come down tomorrow? We have all these possibilities. We cannot confirm anything unless market opens. Once market is opened, at least we can tell which zones are going to see today. This particular supply zone, how it holded the prices. The high liquidity. Nearly over 50 points move it has given. To the low of this candle, it's 22.95. We can say 22.100 approximately. So this is 1676. So nearly 76 to 80 points move we have seen from this zone to here. So finally this is the this is the final picture after drawing the zones. So definitely the 75 minutes demand zone, definitely it will give some pressure to the supply. So at present tomorrow, even if this 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone is violated, a little above again, there is a 5 minutes high liquidity zone is there. Maybe tomorrow you may see a range info line. This could be the range. Most probably this could be the range for our tomorrow session. And moreover, tomorrow is a monthly expiry. Tomorrow is also financial year last day, tomorrow. Many people may close their positions just for taxation point of view or maybe the other reasons. So we can't expect what kind of volatility market will be facing tomorrow. If the volatility is high, even this will violate and even this will violate. That possibility is there. You may see huge drastic changes if volatility is high. But we have to wait and watch tomorrow the behavior of the market. If this zone is violated, next the daily high liquidity supply zone will be activated. So demand also they are slowly building up towards the supply. Now how supply is going to react, we have to wait and see. But time being, this is the range. If any of these zones are violated, next the daily zone will be activated. And here the high liquidity zone, still it will be holding in case if this 75-minute zone is violated. So this is about Nifty's tomorrow's range. Hope this information might be useful to you. Whatever the zones which I did not draw, the other zones which are not high liquidity zones, please draw them. Please draw on your charts so that you can plan for your intraday trades based on that information. I am only suggesting you support and resistance levels. But in between you need to plan your trades as per the zones you have seen in that particular supply demand zone chain report. Okay, let's take a break here and we'll continue with our next video. Thank you.